This is the Fabberz Face Shields PPE Video Assembly Guide. Step 1. First take the rubber band included in the flat pack and hook it into the sides of the mainframe. Next, align the clear plastic sheet behind the thicker acrylic front frame. You'll notice that there are 2 slots on these pieces. You want to press fit the 2 separate frames together. This might require a bit of patience and time, but with careful handling, you'll see that the 2 pieces snap in, and they will be secured when they're locked in together. It's best to start from one side and work your way to the other side of the slots to lock the 2 pieces. And lastly, place the polypropylene head support band through the designated slots on both sides of the mainframe. There you have it. You have a completed face shield. And please stay safe and please stay healthy, everybody.